my name is Camila Velazquez. I go to Our Lady of Lords Academy and I'm currently a junior. When I took the PSAT, like in my freshman and sophomore year, like I feel like my math section didn't really like reflect like my confidence in math. And like I've always liked math and I wanted like a score that like would be better. And like I just feel like I would need like something to help me like for tutoring for the SAT. I just felt like it was too low when like looking to apply for like the schools that I want to. Like it wasn't competitive enough for like what I wanted. I would say like remembering like certain like questions and like what I have to do like specifically for those questions. Like I think mainly the wording. The wording would confuse me a lot, like with the math questions that they try to like trick you. So like the course like helped a lot because like I could just like identify the different questions like really easily. This course was the first thing I did. So I think it was a really good way to start because it definitely gave me like a lot of confidence with math. I was a little like scared because I didn't know how like I would be able to sit still in a Zoom for like 4 hours. But it actually wasn't that bad at all. And it was like pretty entertaining. Like the tutors were like always super nice and like it went by actually really fast. Like it never felt like it was actually 4 hours. For another student coming into the course, like I think they should know like they should put the effort in because like it is a lot of work and like it does take a lot of time. But at the end of it, like it is worth it. And like all the tutors are like super nice and like they'll help you with like anything you need. So like it's it's a very like friendly like service. Like I don't know.
This is my second daughter with taking tutoring and all that for the SAT. So with the first one, we actually did a variety of things. So that it worked, but it was kind of all over the place. So for me this time, like my other daughter recommended you guys, and I felt like, okay, let's just do this. It's only one, organized, focus on one thing. Camila did everything. Like, she would be like on top of, well, yes, on top of things, I think, and like on homework
Mhm.
and everything. So it was a lot easier. Like knowing like, okay, we're just gonna do this and focus 100% on this.
So my final score was an 800 with a 540. I
Right?
went up 260 points.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I'm just like really happy because like I never thought like I would get perfect score and like starting so low, especially like my PSAT score was less than 600. And like I'm just so happy because like I feel like my score is like like at another level now. Like it's way more like competitive and like I can really like start looking at like better schools that like maybe I had like kind of like dismissed before because I was like, no, like my like I'm not good enough for those. So like I feel like it's like been helping me like on that.
And then also I was like, she really wanted to do Saturday. No, she really wanted to do like
Wednesday.
Wednesday, and I didn't want to because like I was like, you're gonna have so much, homework, blah blah blah. No, no, no. And it better be a Saturday. And she's like, no, I just want the weekends to like unload and just not think about it. I want a weekday. And I'm like, okay, you're just making that decision. You're gonna work on it. So it did work well.
Yeah, like I like would review some like for like right before the test. I reviewed like past homeworks and things like that. But I think like what helped me the most was just like getting everything done like when I was supposed to. So then I wouldn't like fall behind and like I would learn everything like at a good pace, I think.
I think it's just a lot of, for them, it's a lot of work and stress and other activities that have. So organize yourself and step by step, and that usually helps. Because like my other daughter, she was doing a lot of things at the same time. So sometimes she did not have the work done. And of course the tutor would be upset, and you know what I mean? So and if you don't do things that you're expected to do, then things in the relationship will change little by little. She's frustrated because this and the other person says that. So so it's hard for them too. So the more you put work on it, the better it is. And I guess that's the most important thing that they have to do to make it happen and get a good result.